Hello guys, welcome my channel again with a new interesting language Python. Python is a beginner friendly and high level programming language. It emphasizes code simplicity and it is very suitable for various applications from web development to data science. It uses indentation for block structure and reducing the need of process in coding. Then comes to the variables and data types. Variables is a short name of data types. It contains A to Z and 0 to 9 number and underscore. Special characters cannot be used. Example, character type data, variable char. Integer type data, variable int. It is the short name of data type. Some important data type. Integer data type. Example, plain numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then float data type means with decimal number like 1.5, 4.5. Then string data type or character data type means all the names. Then comes to basic operators in Python. You can see in the picture in front of you plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Then comes to the main part of the Python, that is looping or loops. There is two types of loops. There are while loop and for loop. There is no do while loop in Python. It has three container, that is initial value, final value, increment or decrement. Some rules in Python, that I plus plus in Python I equal to I plus 1. We can write I minus minus in Python, that is I equal to I minus 1. Example of looping. Write a program to display all numbers from 1 to 10. In while loop we can write I equal to 1 while I less than equal to 10. Print I equal to I plus 1. Here I equal to 1 is initial value while I less than equal to 10 is final value. I equal to I plus 1 is increment. In for loop we can write for I in range 1 to 11, print I, then run, then output 1 to 10. One or important in Python, that is conditional statement. The rule says if condition semicolon then statement then else double quotation statement. Example, if the person's name is Jones, then say hello and welcome, otherwise say sorry, I don't know. Another example of a conditional statement, write a program to enter a number and prove it is an even or odd number. Let's see the slide. If a mod of 2 equal to 0, then statement it is an even number, else it is an odd number. Example, enter a number 4, that is run and output it is an even number. Again, if this video is very useful for you, then like, share and subscribe for more videos.